Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to test um, uh, MongoDB API using Swagger. So I just created this API, which is about a dictionary, bilingual dictionary, translating from English to Lingala. This is a language just spoken in Kinshasa. We are from. So I'm going to start by testing the first route. This is a default route that takes you to the main APIs page. Yeah, I got my response. Let me get to the next round. This is to test to pull all words from the dictionary. Yeah, as you can see, it's working. Let's move on to the next one. Get word by status. I want to find out which word is pending approval from the moderator and which words are validated. There is no pending words. So let me take validated. I got all validated words that are visible for public usage. So let me take this word lovely. Lovely. I'm going to go down to the public users endpoint and search for lovely. Lovely. There we go. I got lovely and translation. Now let me try another word. Loving. Loving. This word does not exist. Word not found. So it's 4 response. What if I put loving 15? Well, I got a 500 response. Invalid source word parameters because the words word format does not accept numbers. It only accepts hyphens and space. So if I say loving each other, I'll get the 404 response. Okay, so let's, what if I want to delete, I want to delete this word. Let me delete, I have to pull lovely. Where is it? Lovely. So I got its ID. I'm going to delete lovely. So before I delete, let's check that this word exists in the database. You can see here, we have lovely. And I want to delete it. I just paste the ID in the delete endpoint. And I got my response, word deleted successfully. Let's go back to the database and check. Find lovely is gone. As you can see here. Okay, so let's add a new word from the contributors endpoint. I want to add plain. Try out first plain. Plain in Gala, it's people. Synonym, let's say vehicle, airplane. It's a noun. An example in Lingala, la mati people. I'm boarding a plane. And let's submit. What's the response? Submission received for review. It means that the work was submitted, but it's not available for public hearing. If I go here in the public users point and I search for plane, it'll say the word is not available, doesn't exist, word not found. If I go back to the filter by status and I search for all pending words, I will, oh, there we go. I got played and the status is pending, which means I need to validate the word first so it can become available for public usage. And let me copy this and go down to the put endpoint. Try it out. I need to remove the ID to avoid confusion. Paste it, plain. Okay, execute. Says, please correct the following validation errors and try again. This means that the validation is working. So I need to remove the comma at the end of the object. What will happen if I execute? There you go. Word validated and updated successfully. So it looks like my API is working. All endpoints have been tested. The 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 project is published on render.com, so it's up and running. And I've got all the source code in my repo on GitHub. If you have any question, feel free to write in comments, and I'll be more than happy to respond.